How to add a profile picture in your WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a profile picture in your WhatsApp on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the settings on the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings option and you should see your profile's name right around here. Now after you're there, all you need to do is tap on your name and now you should see the add photo option on your profile circle. Now tap on that to add a photo. Now here you will get three options. One is to take a photo yourself, the other is to choose a photo, and the third one is to use an avatar. Now if you want to take a photo, tap on the option. If you want to choose a photo from your library, simply tap on choose photo. So after you tap on choose a photo, you'll get redirected to your gallery or your files. Now from there, simply choose a photo that you think will go well with your profile picture. So I'll just choose this one. Now you can set it up right around here. Set the angle right. And then after you're done and satisfied with the result, tap on choose on the bottom right corner. After you've done that, the profile picture will be added. You can head back around here and check this out. Now yeah, it's that simple guys. That is how you add a profile picture on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more.